Oh, that was headshot. You have a son. What do ah, but seriously, male child
I
can
now
be.
baptize you in the name of the Father and of the Son and
Oh
of the
shit!
Holy Spirit.
But you guy was impatient.
He's all scared. I see you. You're scared.
Oh shit! Oh my god,
I'm playing
man,
with you.
the guy
Relax.
has anger issues.
What you doing?
What
Where
is
you
this
at?
now?
Where you at?
I mean, you literally put your son inside a pot and video him because you can't tell me that he was the one that climbed that place and sat on that pot. It was an adult that did that, which is zero. I mean, why will you do that to your son just to create content? Ugh. Some people, mhm,